not like you're dating. You can't just stop calling or change your number or fake your own death because they annoy you.
You do that to women?
No, they do it to me. Look, I'm sorry if it feels like I'm being negative, because the truth is, kids are amazing. But you just had this big health scare, and you're probably not in the best frame of mind to make life decisions. I mean, this morning, you cried in a beer commercial.
Yeah, but the horse and the puppy were best friends. Oh, having a heart attack didn't make me realize I want to have a kid. It made me realize I don't want to live another day without one. It's like a wake-up call.
All right, if you really want to do this, I will be here to support you from my room, which, FYI, is way too drafty to use as a nursery. Sweet, let's get that kid. So, who's the lucky lady who's going to receive your seed?
See, just put your creepy little finger right on the problem. Haven't exactly been successful in love. It's like I'm running JavaScript and women are running HTML5. Talking like that is part of the problem.
Yeah, and it's weird because your package is perfect. And by package, I don't mean your package, I mean your package. Although that is also a showstopper.
I can't believe that this is not the first time I've said this, but stop looking at my penis.
Well, now that you've mentioned it, I can't stop looking. It's like the elephant's trunk in the wind. But don't worry, you'll find somebody. And, it goes without saying that if I could, I would happily bear you a child.
I wish all of this had gone without